Hi guys, this is the reading of our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, tignan na natin kung ano meron sa ating mga air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, guys. Okay. Check na natin. Okay, what's with our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa ating mga air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Oh, I have here the soul contract. Merong nag-iisip pa, meron namimili. Meron na mag-i-ending. Yeah, there will be a ending, there will be a new beginning. At masaya yung magiging new beginning with the Knights of Wands kasi nandito yung may babalik na lover. Okay, may babalik na ex, ha? And then I have here the memories, okay, from the past. And then I have here the Six of Pentacles na kung saan meron tinutulungan, okay. And then, yeah, the exchanging energy, okay. Then I have here the Queen of Cups, okay. You're highly intuitive, okay. You may be really highly connected from our universe, okay, kay God, okay. And then I have here, yeah, you maybe have a soul tribe and a soul contract, soulmate, ganyan, ano pa, twin flame, ganyan. Andito rin yung Seven of Cups, may pinaplano ka, may pinag-iisipan kang gawin, meron kang pinaplano na namimili ka kung paano yung setup na gagawin. Then, nandito rin yung Knights of Wands. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Hey, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Someone is having their karma. You see? The Justice and the King of Wands. This is a married guy. This is a married man. Daman niya na ngayon yung karma. Kung ano man yung ginawa niya sa inyo, okay? Daman niya na. Bumalik na sa kanya. This is a lesson to him, okay? Then, let's see. Hoy, Death card and Rebirth. There will be a ending, okay? Possible kung sabi ko nga ha, pag may nawala, may darating. Pag may magtatapos, may mag-uumpisa. Agad-agad po yun with the rebirth and with the death and rebirth card. Okay? Yan. Agad-agad yan. Instant yan. And then, yeah, may darating na bagong lover ito. Knights of Wands. Isang moreno na bata-bata pa ang nakikita ko. Someone to have and hold. Ayan. Saka may lalagay yun. Okay, tignan natin guys. What will be the advice for you? Okay. And then let's see. Okay. That, yeah, there will be a death talaga. Death and rebirth. Yeah, etong magiging pagtatapos na to na in progress na sa buhay mo, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, will be the clarity of your life, of the problem na nagaganap ngayon sa'yo, yung mga mabigat na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. And then, the King of Pentacles is telling you also that you have to discipline yourself din sa paggastos ha. Andito yung, you know, andito yung comfort and discipline, wealth, business, leadership, security. Yeah, your money, your financial secured as I am seeing here, okay? Your money secured. Money secured. Okay, posible din naman na ito yung makikilala mo. Okay? Ayan o. Mapera yan. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Anyway, yun lang guys. And then mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.